Hi everyone, welcome to today's 15 minutes upper body reset. I'm so glad you are here. If your shoulder feels tight from hunching over a computer, your neck is stiff from stress, or your spine feels compressed after a long day, this practice is designed specially for you. In just 15 minutes, we are going to unlock those stubborn areas of tension, create space in your fascia, and help you reconnect with your breath. All you need is a yoga block, or if you have one. But no worries, if you don't have, a folded blanket or a pillow works just fine. Let's start sitting in a comfortable position. Extend your arms forward and place both palms facing down on your mat with your fingers pointing toward your body. Apply gentle pressure through your palms, feeling that beautiful stretch through your waist extenders. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, see if you can surrender just a little bit deeper into that stretch. Now let's flip the palms to facing out, fingers reaching long. Let's open up the waist flexors. Those hard-working muscles get tired from typing and testing. Your hands support you all day. Checking with your shoulders. Are they creeping up toward your ears? Gently guide them back down. Remember, we are not forcing anything today. We are creating an invitation for your tissue to soften. Alright, now let's bring your right elbow up toward the ceiling. Let your hands drop gently behind your head. With your left hand, guide the right elbow directly back, not cross your body, just straight behind. Feel that this open through the long head of your triceps and down into the side of your back. This is where so many of us store tensions without even realizing it. Beautiful work. Now let's switch sides. Bringing your left elbow overhead and right hand to guide. Remember to breathe fully into the area of resistance. Your breath is your greatest tool for release. Where attention goes, energy flows. Direct your breath with intention. Keep your ribcage soft and contained, not flaming forward. Maintain that beautiful length through your tailbone all the way to your crown of your head. Now draw your right arms across your chest at shoulder high. Use your left hand gently hold at the right waist and hug it toward to your body. Notice now I'm not grabbing the elbow, keeping that whole soft elbow for a more effective stretch through the lateral side deltoid. This subtle change makes all the difference in your practice. Wonderful. Let's transition to the other side. Left arm crossed, right arm supporting at the waist. Each side tells its own story. Listen closely. Press into any sticky spots you discover. Those are your opportunity for growth and release. Feel that wonderful opening across the outer shoulder and wrapping around the posterior deltoid. Keep both shoulders square, resisting the urge to twist your torso. Yourself a big nurturing hug. Right hand to left shoulder, left hand to right shoulder. Allow your spine to round gently. Take a deep breath, expansive breath, and feel your back widening as you exhale. Imagine you are creating a space between your shoulder blades, gently drawing them away from your spine. This subtle protraction releases those tiny rhomboids that work so hard to maintain your posture all day long. Sometimes, the smallest movement creates the deepest release. Keep your neck long. Imagine holding an apple gently under your chin. This prevents the forward head position that can cause so much discomfort. Your neck will thank you for this mindful alignment. Breathe fully into your back body. You are doing beautifully. Every practice builds upon the last. Let's move into our neck reset. Sit tall and place your left hand underneath you, grounding down through that sit bone. First, create a gentle side bend to the right, ear moving toward shoulder, keeping those shoulders relaxed away from your ears. Feel that gorgeous length extending all along the left side of your neck. Now, maintaining the side bend, let's add a gentle upward rotation, chins tilt toward to the ceiling. If it feels good, you can use your right hand to add a lightest touch of pressure, never forcing, just inviting. That's the reason in gentleness. Beautiful. Now, keeping the side bend, let's rotate down, chins move toward to your armpits. Again, your right hand can guide this movement with respectful pressure. Your neck carries the weight of your world. Give it the care it deserves. Now let's combine those movements. Rotate your head to the right and tilt back, feeling the stretch deep in the front of your neck where we rarely access. This releases those deep cervical flexors and gets softened from looking down at the screen. Reclaim the natural curve of your cervical spine. Rotate right and look down, chin toward collarbones. Feel how each subtle variation accesses different fascia lines in your neck. The body is a magnificent network of connection. Feel those relationships are waking. Wonderful work. Let's repeat the sequence on the other side. Balance is the key. Both sides deserve equal attention. Remember to breathe fully through each position. Your breath creates internal massage for those tissues. Let your inhale bring energy. Your exhale release what no longer serves you. Sitting position, reach your right arms up towards the ceiling, and then create a beautiful side bend to the left. Keeping your right hip heavy and grounded, resist the temptation to let it lift. This ensures the stretch goes right to where you need the most, through your obliques and into your quadrilumbra. Beautiful. Let's switch sides. Left arm reaching up, press into the right. Notice the difference between the sides. Maintain the length through your waist rather than collapsing into the ribs. You are creating space, not compressions. The quality of your movement matters more than the quantity. Press into that side of the body. Imagine your breath soften any tensions you find there. Your breath is intelligent. It knows exactly where to go. Onto your belly. Place your hands under your shoulder. On your next inhale, gently lift your chest into a mini extension. Engage abdominals, drawing them in to support your lower back. Keep your pelvic heavy on the mat. We are focusing on thoracic extension, not lumbar. Feel your erector spinal engage along your spine while your abdominals provide that crucial support. This balanced action prevents overextension. Strength and flexibility must dance together. The power comes from your spinal muscles, not from pressing into your hands. Keep your shoulder melt away from your ear. Find everywhere it serves you, is where it doesn't. Press fully into that gentle back bend, finding strength and openness simultaneously. Your spine craves movements in all directions. If you feel too much tension of your lower back, just release down a little bit. Let's come down to lie on our right side with the knees bent at 90 degrees. If you have a yoga block, you can place it under your head for support. Extend both arms forward, palms together. Now keeping your knees stacked and stable, open your top arms into the T position, creating a 90-degree angle from your body. Let your gaze follow your hands if your legs feel comfortable with that. Feel this beautiful opening across your chest. Now let's take at the top arms a little bit higher, reaching it up above 150 degrees from your body. This target those lower pec fibers and create different sensations in your chest wall. Breathe into your rib cage, feel it expand in all directions. Your lump extended from collarbone to lower ribs. Feel it entire space. Perfect. Let's transition to the other side. Wrists on the shoulder, knees on the hips. Take an inhale, and as you breath fill your lungs, drop your belly towards the mat. Gently arch your spine and lift your gaze. This is our crow position. Feel the front body opening, hearts lifting. The ancient movement has healed body for centuries. As you exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling like an angry cat, dropping your navel towards the spine, chin to chest. Feel that beautiful articulation of each vertebrae. The space between your shoulder blades widening. Your spine loves this rhythm movement. Continue floating between those two positions with your breath. Inhale for cow, exhale for cat. Each cycle creates more mobility through your entire spine, massaging your internal organs and release tensions in your back. Gently sit back onto your heels, extending your arms forward or alongside your body, whatever feels most nurturing for you right now. Allow your forehead to rest on the mat or your stocking hands. Take a deep breath in, feeling your back ribs expand. This surrounding is as important as any active pose. Press into any remaining area of tensions, inviting them to soften and release. Thank you for practicing with me today. If this reset helps you feel better, please like and subscribe for more gentle movement sections.